Hello everyone, welcome to Droid channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to view or access your iCloud photos on your iPhone. Now if you go to your settings app and then tap on your profile name or the iCloud account and then go to iCloud, you will see some options in here, and if we go to photos, you can see that there is no option to see the iCloud photos. Now for that, what you have to do is just open any browser. You can use Google Chrome or you can also use Safari. I'll just use Safari, and in the address bar type in iCloud.com and then tap on go. Now from here tap on sign in, and you will see this, your iCloud account or your Apple ID will show up and you will be asked to log in. Now from here, if I just tap on continue, it will ask for my Face ID and that will log me into the iCloud account. Now in here, all you need to do is just scroll down, and here you can see photos and then tap on photos, and as you can see here, all my iCloud photos are in here. Now to download a photo or to share it, all you need to do is just open up that photo, and here you can see the three dots. So if you just tap here, you can see you have a lot of information here. You can see the info. You can also download by tapping here, and you can also share. And the most important thing, which is viewing or seeing all the photos. So you can just scroll up and down to see all the photos or videos that you have uploaded into the iCloud. And that is how you can view or check your iCloud photos from your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.